Look, I don't know who need to hear this, but right now, you need to stop doubting yourself. Recognize that I am enough, and everything that I want is already mine. Stop doubting self. Why are you doubting self? Doubting self is like doubting God. So do you truly trust God? Do you truly trust yourself? If the answer is yes, then like, comment, and follow for more. And with that being stated, remember that you are royalty. There's nothing you can't achieve. Nothing. And keep that in mind. Smile.